Dude, what's wrong with the car?
I don't know, man. It won't start. How are we gonna get to the party now?
Dude, you know Ricky?
Oh, yeah, you mean that car fixer guy?
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
I think he just lives right down the street. Let's go.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Dude, if you're like waiting on the waiter, aren't you the waiter? Dude, when you think about it, there are more nipples in the world than there are people.
Dude, never thought about it like that.
It's like so mind-blowing, man.
It's like, dude.
I think Ricky's right around the corner. Oh, there he is. Yo, Ricky, man.
Hey, what's going on?
Our car broke down, man. We need your help.
Need my help. What for?
It broke down, man. I don't know what to do.
We don't know what happened. So, you need to fix your car. Fuck your dog.
No, man, just a car.
Just a car. No dog?
No dog, man.
Oh, fuck. Alright. Fucking.
Alright, Nick.
That fucking imbecile!
Hey, what the fuck?
I opened this door. The other one's broken.
Oh,
Shove my cock in the car. Bro. You all set?
yeah, man.
And don't break your cock in. I mean, door. What kind of car you got, penis? So you guys ever listen to this song?
Yeah,
I remember
it's
back in my day when I graduated with the education from the school. I think it was preschool, I think. No, they gave me a super paper for that.
Dude, you're the smartest guy I know.
I knew, right? I aced preschool. That was my shit. I went to high school here. That shit was the dumbest shit. They fucking were like, hey, you gotta measure angles and shit, right? Bro, you know my only angle is fucking how much weed I can sell. Oh shit, By the way, if it's cool with you guys, I'd like to smoke at least 20 fucking doobies, brother. And where's the PBR? You got PBR back there?
What is that?
I said it's PBR back there!
What the fuck's that, man?
You don't know what Pabst Blue Ribbon is. It's the genuine idol of the working class. We fucking drink that shit from sunrise to sunset. I've even smoked a doobie out of the PBR can and made it like a tiny bong. You've never done that.
Here you go, man. I think I found it.
All inheritance
Ah,
taxes
bro.
on this bunch of songs in a row.
Shit. This is the anal touching fluid. I use that for lube.
Oh, man.
Yeah, ATF for short. You gotta grab it, bitch. You know, I once fucked someone on that stop sign. They kept saying 9. I don't know whether that was how good I was doing or whether that was the rage, but you know, it was tight and that was good. So, little thing about this car is it made the Kessel run in under 60 parsecs. Did you know that?
No, I didn't, man.
I call it the titanium bird. So, what seems to be the issue with the... What's this?
I told you, man. I don't know.
I said I'm a mechanic, not a boat guy. What are you bringing me a boat for?
It's not a boat, man. I think you're drunk. I don't know if I want you working on my car.
Oh shit, I'm not drunk. I'm wasted. Alright, so I'll try my best to fix your boat. But I never worked on a boat. But I'm Jesus, so... Boat has doors, isn't it?
You're Jesus. Can't you walk on water?
Yeah, I don't need boats if I can walk on water, dumbass.
Look, man. It's a car. I told you.
It's not a car.
What the fuck, man? I can't get it open.
What are you trying to open? There's nothing to open on a boat or else it'll sink. Boat's gotta be closed. Why are you opening? That's probably...
There we go, man.
Bro. Dude, that's a car.
Yeah, man.
It's a boat car. You ever seen a boat car like that? I tell you what. Okay, so you're saying you're having trouble with the flotation or you're having trouble with the motivation?
I don't know, man. It just broke. I can't drive it.
Well, Have you tried sticking your dick in here?
Why would I do that, man?
You've never seen Transformers. You
No.
just bust a nut in a car and then it becomes a robot and you're fine. Imbeciles. Alright, this is why they call me the mechanic. Now, why is everything all flex sealed over here? Are you Phil Swift?
Do what?
Are you Phil Swift?
I don't know what that means.
Oh, bro, you're not high enough. So, here's my quick question. Why do you need your car running if it's a boat car? Can't you just paddle your way?
No, man, it's a regular car. I don't even know what a boat car is.
You never seen a boat car?
No, man.
Okay, let's skip the whole thing. Where do you need to go?
I need to go to the party, man.
What party? There's a party around here.
Yeah, the party over at... I don't remember his name, man.
Was it at Ricky's?
Yeah, I think it was at Ricky's. No, it was at, It was at Tyler's house.
Tyler's house?
Yeah.
No, I didn't hear about no party at Tyler's house. I hear about a party at my house. Oh, shit.
Dude, I was having a party?
Yeah, man, that's the party we were going to.
Dude.
Dude, we're like already here.
Wait.
Dude.
Let's go get drunk, man.
Wait, we
Dude.
live together?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you do.
shit. I forgot, man. Wait, what the hell's that thing?
You got to have a party? Why the fuck did you say so? Where's the party at?
Phil.
Here, man.
Phil. It's okay, Phil.
That's a lot of damage.
It's okay, Phil.
That's a
The
lot
party-
of
the
damage.
party's right there. You don't have to worry about damage. After you get alcohol, your liver will be damaged enough. Let's go, man.
Yeah, man.
I saw this boat in half.
You saw the boat now. I told you it was a boat. Alright, you coming, dude?
Oh yeah, man.
You coming? Bro, you can't. No drinks in the party.